Okay, divisibility. All right, I'll walk through the divisibilities of several of these. Two, I'll start with two. That's the easiest one. If the last number is an even number, it can be divided by 2. So 4 can be divided by 2. So that's good. 5 cannot be divided by 2. So this is not divisible by 2. 2 can be divided by 2. So this is good. And 7 cannot be divided by 2, the last number. So that's divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 4 has the same flavor. If the last 2 can be divided by 4, then 44 can be divided by 4, so that's divisible by 4. 0.5 cannot be divided by 4, so that doesn't work. 12, 1, 2 can be divided by 4, so that works. And 47 cannot be divided by 4, so that doesn't work. Okay, next we'll look at 3 can be divided by 3. To be able to divide by 3, we have to add up all the individual digits, and it has to be in the 3-time tables. So 7 plus 4 is 11, and 11 plus 4 is 15. 15 is in the 3-time tables, so this is divisible by 3. 7 plus 0 is 7, and 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 is in the 3-time tables, so this number can be divided by 3. 8 plus 1 is 9, and 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 is not in the 3-time tables, so this cannot be divided by 3. 7 plus 4 is 11, and 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 can be divided by 3, so this is in the 3-time tables. All right, for the 5-time tables, we look to see if it ends with a 5 or 0. That doesn't end with a 5 or 0. This does end with a 5 or 0. This does not end with a 5 or 0. This does not end with a 5 or 0. So it cannot be divided by 5. Now, divided by 6. If you can divide by 6, that means you can divide by both 2 and 3. So here, this can be divided by 2 and 3. Therefore, it can be divided by 6. This one cannot be divided by both 2 and 3, so you cannot divide by 6. This number right here cannot be divided by both 2 and 3, therefore it cannot be divided by 6. This number cannot be divided by both 2 and 3, so it cannot be divided by 6. The last one is this, 9. 9, we do the same thing as 3. We add up all the digits and we see if the digits that are summed or added are in the 9-time tables. So 7 plus 4 is 11. And 11 plus 4 gives me 15. 15 is not in the 9-time tables. The next one is 7 plus 0 is 7. And then 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 is not in the 9-time tables. So, next one is 8 plus 1 is 9, and 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 is not in the 9-time tables. The last one is 7 plus 4, which is 11, and 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 is in the 9-time tables, so this can be divided by 9.